And this Chinese relative of ours said, I don't know if you don't believe it, but we do it in our place. We do it as a cure. So you drink 1 cup of, it's quite expensive here, bird's nest, because I think it's all fiber. You just drink 1 bottle every night before sleeping. It's just like a gelatin, bird's nest, very similar. Then you take Yakult. It's what's the probiotic. I'm telling you, on my oath as a worker of government, I have not had any problem. But if you are new to, you have to make adjustments, because sometimes the calling to the bathroom can go as far as 3 times. But if you take it regular every night, reduce it to. I'm telling you, you guys, forget about your gastro thing. Really, if that commitment fails, you come back and ask for